Ankur has made $1,500 using AI photos. And I'm going to show you how he did it and what application he used it. Number one, how he did it is my bonus. So here's the story. Ankur Shukla is my mentor. I paid him total over $30,000 for mentorship. He taught me everything about how to build softwares, launch softwares, etc. And I made 8 figures from launching software, affiliate marketing, all this stuff. Now, that's a different story. The story here is Ankur showed this application before the launch a couple of days back, and he asked me to try it. And I tried. I basically, look at this, turned my photos into, you look at me, compare. I uploaded my photo and the application turned me into this photo. This is for LinkedIn. And this photo is for Instagram, a little funky, little interesting. Unfortunate part here is that I have only a few gray beard, but AI captured that gray beard and gave me a lot more gray beard and gray hair as well. Anyways, guys, don't worry. The point is, it's amazing. It's flawless. So Ankur did something that he made $1,500 from these photos almost instantly, and he told me on the call. So yesterday, let me show you. Yesterday I asked him this, that give me a recording of, a voice note that I will record and I will share with my customers if they purchase this application through me, through my link. And Ankur gave me 2 voice notes. These voice notes will tell you how he used this application to make money. Now it's a simple idea, very simple idea, but it's getting customers like sniper bullet, one shoot, one kill, laser targeted customers, do it right and earn $1,500 using AI photos, using an AI software. So let me show you how the application works. Step number 1, you watch this video. It's a 9-minute video and it shows everything about the application. Now, once you are done, then you go first, step number 1, simple step by step. The first step is upload now. When you click it, the interface will change. Now, either you choose file by clicking this blue button or you drag and drop. I love the drag and drop. So let me drag and drop. I'm looking for a couple of my, I got it. Look, oh, instant, nice. Mail, good. Can we go next? Processing, please wait. Processed. Now you have 2 options. One is LinkedIn style and one is Instagram style. Which one do you think? Let's start with the left, start with the right. Let's start with left, in LinkedIn. It will always remove my cap. That's the funny thing. Let's go. Generate image. It will take some time. For safety, it said this usually takes about 5 minutes, but it normally never takes more than 2 minutes. And now, during that time, you will read some of these codes like more than 1 trillion photos were taken worldwide in 2020. Before that, there was another code. The first digital photo was taken in 1957. Can you imagine that? It's like AI was invented way back. We just didn't know about it until ChatGPT came in and literally blew up the world. All right, guys, it has given me another handsome face. Well, very close, but look at the perfection. Now, because of my long beard and the weird cap and the unusual look, the LinkedIn photo has to be a little different than like me. It might be like the older version of my son, or maybe me after doing a little bit of plastic surgery. But anyways, guys, it's really cool, especially when you upload your photo, it will be nice. And most importantly, when you upload it for your clients, it will blow their minds. Okay, the bonus section, the bonus will cover that, all right? The special bonus that I got from Ankur. Now I'm going to go and create an Instagram image. Create an Instagram image and it's working on the same photo. I'll get another Instagram funky image. Not that funky, but it's more casual. All right, this one is new and it's not that weird. I love it. Look at me. It's really me. It's just, I have a different kind of cap. I kind of love it. But the look, the face, look at this. This is really, really me. Oh my God. Subhanallah, I love it. Right, guys, and the beard. How AI detects my few gray beards and basically enhance it. It gives me additional gray beards, look like more like an uncle than a brother. I want you to focus on the quality of the output. Look at the environment, it's perfect. Look at the face, the parts of the face, the body, shirt, it's perfect. It's amazing, right? It's very unusual for AI. Generated images are nice. A lot of them are really nice, like Midjourney. But when you ask Midjourney or other applications to create an AI image from a real image, it will mess up. But in this case, it's a wow. Love it. Now we will try custom prompts options. So enter your own custom prompt. Right. Okay. I'm going to custom prompt playing tennis daytime with in sea beach. Almost sunset time, dolphins playing in the sea, coconut trees, and birds in the scene. Now let's try and see what happens. It's analyzing my photo and adding those custom prompts. Wow, it's coming. Coconut trees, sunset, and I'm playing tennis. And a dolphin. That's a tennis ball. And okay, I have a question, by the way. How did AI know about my little belly? It just shouldn't. I mean, AI should not be that intelligent that it knows my belly without me showing. Okay, the tennis ball, the dolphin, oh my goodness. I think the best bonus for this application is how you can make money with this application. So Ankur has already done it. He made $1,500 selling this photo in a place where people are ready to buy. Okay, he just shared the whole thing in these 2 voice notes. I'm gonna record it and I'm gonna deliver to you as a bonus for purchasing AI Photo Studio using my link somewhere near this video. If you're watching from YouTube, then the link will be in the description. If you're watching from my website, link will be somewhere near this video. Now this is amazing because there are literally people who need this kind of service photos. You just need to know who they are and how to approach them without showing face, without being salesy, without even knowing how to sell. And you can do it as a side hustle. You can do it as a side business. In fact, it will give you an idea to start a brand new AI-based business. Sounds good? You get the bonus, very exclusive bonus, and no one else can give you this bonus because it is real. It's real. You get it by purchasing from my link. The link is in the description of YouTube or in my website, somewhere near this video. Go click and get it. There will be more bonuses, whatever they are. You will find them on my website. Go click, grab them, and the bonuses will be instantly delivered with your purchase receipt. We'll see you in the next one.